So, most people think AI can only talk about your work. Type a question, get an answer, copy, paste, repeat, but there's a version of Claude that actually sits inside your computer and does the work for you. It opens your files, builds your reports, and cleans up your mess while you go get coffee. It's called Claude Cowork. And by the end of this video, you'll see the one thing that makes it completely different from every chatbot you've used. Let's get into it. So what is Cowork, really? Think of regular Claude chat like texting a smart friend. They give great advice, but you still have to do everything. Cowork flips that. You point it at a folder on your computer, tell it what you want in plain English, and it goes and does it, reading files, creating new ones, editing what's already there. Anthropic launched it in early 2026. And here's a fun detail. Over 90% of what people use it for isn't coding. It's regular office stuff. Real work. Which brings up the obvious question, what kind of work? Here's where it clicks. Got a folder full of receipt screenshots? Cowork turns them into a clean expense spreadsheet. Got scattered notes from 3 different meetings? It drafts you a full report. Got a downloads folder that looks like a disaster? It sorts the whole thing while you sit back. You're not writing prompts and copying answers anymore. You're handing off tasks, like you would to an actual assistant. But if it's doing all this on its own, you're probably wondering, doesn't that feel risky? This is the part that makes it safe to actually use. Cowork doesn't just run wild. When it hits a moment where only you can make the call, it stops and asks. Nothing important gets sent or changed without you seeing it first. So it's not the AI taking over your job. It's the AI doing the boring 90%, then tapping you on the shoulder for the decisions that matter. And it gets even better once you realize where it can follow you. It works everywhere now. Cowork started as a desktop-only tool, but it just expanded to web and phone too. So now you can kick off a task at your desk, check on it from your phone, and grab the finished result later, even if your laptop is closed. Picture this. You set your Monday client prep for 6 a.m. Claude works through the emails, the transcripts, the recent news, builds your briefing doc, and leaves a follow-up email drafted but unsent. You just review it over coffee. It keeps working in the background, even while you sleep. That's the shift. But before you go all in, there are a couple of honest things you should know. Real talk. It's not magic, and it's not for everyone yet. For one, it needs a Claude Max plan, and that's the pricier tier. So it's not a free tool you casually try. 2, because it can actually change files, you've got to be careful with your instructions. Vague prompts can lead to messy results, so clear direction still matters. And 3, the deepest features, the local file access. The browser control really shine on desktop. Web is more limited. So think of it as a powerful assistant, not a mind reader. Your clarity is still part of the equation. Zoom out for a second. For years, AI has been stuck behind a chat box. You ask, it answers, and you do the actual work. Cowork breaks that wall. It moves AI from talking about your work to actually doing it, right where your files already live. That's the real story here. It's not a smarter chatbot. It's the first time it feels less like a tool you use and more like a coworker you delegate to. All right, quick favor before you go. If this helped you finally get what Cowork does, smash that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss one. And drop a comment, what's the first task you'd hand it? Receipts, reports, that messy desktop? I read every one, and I reply. And if you like this, you've got to watch our next video. You don't want to miss it.